Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you with a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. We're really excited about this boat. It's got a ton of features and options. We're really just excited overall for a great boat that you and your family can get out on the lake on. At the front of the boat, you've got an electronic windlass that we've put on the boat with a freshwater washdown, so you can wash off the mud or clay when you pull that back up out of the water without having to get all dirty or drag it through the water. Underneath of these two seats here, you've got some storage. Sea Ray does a really good job at maximizing space. That's a huge compartment that goes forward, which gives access to the back of the dash as well. Flip down armrests. You'll see we've put the premium audio in this boat, which is the Fusion Signature Series this year, and you can see the blue LEDs and accent lighting all throughout the boat. As we walk back, you've got the big folding windshield with the stainless steel accent. Over here on the port side of the boat, we've got a head compartment. This boat's equipped with a pump out vacuum flush head, so no need to take it and pull the actual tray out anymore. You've also got a sink and a light in there. Both of the captain's chairs are going to be bolstered and swivel, so you can pull the bolster up so you have a better visibility, and they'll also turn in to create a social atmosphere here in the cockpit. At the helm, we've got a lot of really exciting features. We've got double SIMRAD touchscreen displays, engine information, you have a chart plotter, fish finder, etc., GPS, really just anything you can think of, it's all at your fingertips. And a brand new Fusion Apollo head unit, which is a touchscreen unit for this year. Really excited about all the new Fusion equipment, and the sound system's going to be great. Of course, digital throttle control from the Mercury, which this boat's equipped with the upgraded motor from standard, the 350 horsepower 6.2 Mercury. A good performing boat and really good running boat overall. As we move to the cockpit, you'll see you've got a subwoofer over there, some other features including a pull-out cooler that they've done with some LED accent lighting there. They've even got speakers built into the tower and rear-facing speakers on the tower, so you've got some audio back there when you're pulling a wakeboard or a tube. This is also a power tower from Sea Ray, which folds down and can be folded down while you're underway. Really just gives better clearance and even brings the shade down for those parts of the day where the sun's coming from different angles. As we move back to the walkthrough here, you've got controls for the tower and the electronic platform, another storage compartment there with a cooler, as well as the swim platform at the back of the boat that comes out. We really appreciate you guys coming to look at the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Come see us at MarineMax Houston.